Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. But one of the great secrets of my life, I am an alternate Time Lord. I was the Time Lord to be named later. I assisted the doctor in one of his missions, and he gave me a special Tardis, a mini Tardis. And this Tardis, to use it, I had to shrink down really small, but the problem is when I reformed after I would go on a Time Lord mission, I came out and was very, very tall and very, very fat. And I know Time Lords regenerate. So far, I haven't. I'm only called in cases of emergency. But when that guy with the scarf comes back and I can travel through time, I'm going to have to talk to him about, can you fix this so the fat goes away? So here it is. This is my time ship, the Tardis. And you press the button. This is the test feature. It is plugged in to a USB port. So I go inside. I open the doors, I close the doors, and I travel through time and space. But I come out, I'm still fat. All right. In any event, this is the Doctor Who TARDIS USB hub, 4 ports. You've seen the sounds. Let me see if I can shut off the light so you can see this a little better. Let me see. We'll try this again. Now, this is something I bought me because I'm getting too many devices and too many things to plug in, so I needed another USB port. And this was not expensive. I've seen one, a different edition in a different box, go for $150. But the one problem with this, I bought this charger, and it does not fit in the hole. It fits, but does not go in all the way, so I'm going to have to ask for a refund. But this is pretty cool. I can charge whatever I've got. It comes with an instruction manual and the box, front and back, and this has 4 USB hub ports, so now I've got a way on my desk if I want, or up there to charge all my devices that need to be charged with a USB hub that aren't plugged into the wall. So I'm very glad to get this, and there is an on-off button in the back if you don't want to make a sound every time you plug a USB device in. So let's see what happens if I plug a USB device into it. Where's my bag? I have a bag here somewhere. Or do I have a bag here? Had a bag. Just dropped the TARDIS on the floor. I got to get some of that sticky tape out of it, wherever the hell it's hiding, and put the tape down. Into my bag. Oh well, I'll have to show it to you another time. I know where I put it. Oh, here we go. I know what we can do. That won't work either. None of them are. Well, wait a minute. This will work. This is connected to this. So I forgot about that. It's plugged in. So let's plug this in here. So it's plugged into the TARDIS, and every time you plug something in, I'll do it again, makes the noise. If you don't want the noise, you can shut it off. But now I can have my T-Mobile thing. I'm going to make some room for it. I can have that. I can have that. They can all be plugged in, and I can take this with me to UFOCon or wherever and have 4 devices plugged in. And another charger that works, I can plug into the wall. So this is pretty cool. This will go on my laptop, though. All right, there it is, the Tardis USB hub. So let's close it out. Let's see. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry, and I'll catch you next time. I was amused. I went on the Weather Channel. They stole my line, sort of. It says, say safe and dry. I should sue them. Should sue IBM. All right. Bye-bye for now.